Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Shiba Inu. We will talk about some of the altcoins and the entry points. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can get a free signal and you can get the market update where we need to enter the market and what are the key levels that we need to make sure. So let's get into it. So first of all, we will always talk about Bitcoin, how the Bitcoin has been reacting, because depending on that, the whole market will react. So what we are watching out right now is a bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern. So what is the head and shoulder pattern? If an inverse head and shoulder pattern had given us a breakout from the neckline, we can expect the same high or the same low of the head from the head and shoulder pattern. So it probably gonna give us the amount of let me just show you so you can also understand what I'm. So this is the amount of high we can expect from BTC. It could go up to $25,000. The first resistance, I will believe it's going to be around 23,000 to 25,000. We can expect BTC to go as high as this if the neckline is broken. To do make sure it is only valid once the head is broken. Moreover, I see that the pattern has been working out pretty well, but still we need a breakout, and once the breakout is done, we surely can take a long position in BTC. And if you need a price level where you need to enter inside the trade is gonna be 21327. Okay, and make sure you need a candle 1 hour candle closing above this level. Then and only then make sure to take an entry, because that's going to be perfect and accurate entry for you, and without without thinking of getting a loss, because once the breakout is done, I'm pretty sure it's going to go up only. So let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum moves the market pretty much. The altcoins are always moved with the move of Ethereum. So what we are watching it right now, I have already marked the markings. So let me show you one more time that the yellow boxes, the yellow circles have been acting as a resistance for the Ethereum. So but this time what is different from the last all time? So what it is 1 2 3 4, and it's going to be the fifth time the Ethereum, or the sixth time the Ethereum is going to be looking out for a breakout. It is trying to test this level multiple times. Once any level is being tested multiple times, that means that level is getting weaker and weaker. Okay, so I expect if the BTC gives a breakout and simultaneously Ethereum has been moving in the range with BTC, so this time we can expect a breakout from both of them. And once that breakout has been done, we surely will be taking a long position. The marking has been done over here, which shows you 1137 a price level. If 1 hourly closing comes above 1137, surely you can take a long position with a decent amount of profit that will be generated from this trade. Moreover, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Make sure to join it so that you don't miss out any entry, any signals, any free signals. So coming up with the next, that's going to be the signal that I provided you yesterday, that is Matic. So let's talk about that and how that signal have been played out for you guys. So here's the Matic signal. You see it had given us a perfect breakout, and once the breakout was done, it just made a retest over here. Okay, so once the retest was done, we took an entry in Ethereum, and I also shared the same signal in the public group. So where we took an entry and multiple entries to make it dollar cost averaging, we did that, and after which it went up pretty high, which gave us already, my position is already running in a profit of 900%. And many members had made a huge amount of profit. I also showed the feedbacks of the members in the channel. So if you haven't gone through it, do make sure to go through it. Coming up with the next, I will also show you one more signal that I shared with you day before yesterday. that also played up pretty well. So you see, we always catch the bottom when it was consolidating here. We caught the bottom, right? And then after it, we consolidated, we took the entry here, and after that, if you see, it had went up 41% just in spot. Okay, it was my 1500 to 1600% profit for me in the futures. So that was pretty great, and this signal was also provided to you guys in the Telegram free channel, where you get most important updates and most accurate signals. Okay, next, coming up with the next, we went through Matic, Ethereum. We need to go through with the near, because I have shared the signal to the premium family. If you still want to get into that trade, you can also do that. So here's the thing. So what I see in the near is the same. The most of the alts are forming to be a triple bottom, or you see it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So if the Bitcoin Ethereum supports the movement, I expect the near to go pretty high from this place, and near has a very good potential and gives good spikes. So this is one of my favorite coins where I still do trading and make a good profit out of it. So if you're still looking for an entry, the entry is given here, 3.41, and the next entry you can take is nearly at 3.26. I recommend low leverage because the market sentiments are not good, and any day I will always suggest you to take low leverage until unless you're not experienced enough, and until unless you don't know how to do trading. Please go with the low leverage. Coming up with the next, that's gonna be, let me see. That is kind of slow. So these was a few coins that we talked about today, and okay, let's talk about AVEX, because I've been looking into it, and AVEX has also been performing pretty well. We took a short entry when it broken down the upward trend line, but after which we already made a 400 to 500% profit in the AVEX. Now what is happening over here is AVEX had made a double bottom. Okay, so if you're looking for an entry, I will recommend you to take it at 17.40. If it comes for a retest, you can take an entry, or otherwise you can take an entry here and do DCA here. So this will be my new setup. I'll also share it with my premium family. Those who will watch this video will be helpful because they can make some sweet profit out of AVEX. Okay. Okay, so it is also been consolidating in this range. I have the setup ready, but I'm waiting for a breakout. Okay, taking early entries is also risky. So what we can do is we can wait for a breakout. Once we get a breakout above this level, that could be here, 0.2885. If you see ZRX price going about 0.2885, then surely you can take an entry, which can be a good scalp as well, or which can be good as well for a swing trade depending on the market sentiments. So this was all about in today's video. I hope you have got some information from our updates, from the market updates, and as well as you guys are making some good profit out of our signals. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, do make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any important updates and free signals on daily basis. All right.